Are you prepared to tap into the untapped potential of artificial intelligence within your managerial role? Welcome to AI 101 for Managers, an exclusive workshop brought to you by the Digital Academy, where the cutting edge of innovation meets the foundation of education. Guiding you through this transformative journey is Professor Niladri Roy, a seasoned veteran with 30 years of corporate consulting and teaching experience. His passion lies in empowering managers to harness the power of AI, effectively integrating it within their organizations. This comprehensive workshop is designed to unravel the complex world of AI, providing you with the practical knowledge needed to spearhead AI initiatives within your company. It offers a holistic understanding of AI, from the rudimentary principles of machine learning to the ethical considerations inherent in AI adoption. Our first day delves into the history and evolution of AI, the basics of machine learning, and an overview of neural networks. We then explore real-world examples of AI applications across various sectors through case study discussions. The second day shines a spotlight on the importance of data collection, harnessing data assets, and creating data products. We discuss the critical role of data strategy and its correlation with business outcomes. We also delve into the ethical considerations of AI and how to mitigate biases in AI model development. The day concludes with a session on generative AI, highlighting its potential to create a competitive edge across industries, illustrated with specific use cases in retail, CPG, FMCG, and BFSI. Professor Roy also offers the opportunity for an action learning project where improvement opportunities can be identified and worked on by teams of managers, culminating in a presentation to your top management. This interactive approach not only reinforces learning with real-life examples, but also uncovers hidden opportunities that can be monetized. So take a leap into the future with the Digital Academy's AI 101 for Managers workshop. Elevate your managerial skills and navigate the world of AI with confidence. Enroll today and set sail on an exciting journey into the realm of AI. We look forward to welcoming you to the workshop.